Hi everybody, it's Robin. Today we are here to make our own DIY stickers out of just laser printed copies of photos and water. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own stickers using just printouts that you've gotten online somewhere. You do need a laser printer for this to come out correctly, but you'll need some packing tape and a bowl of water. So the first thing we're going to do is take our wax paper and put whichever design that we want onto the paper. I'm going to do a few of these so we kind of see the difference in them. So you're going to take your tape in strips and just lay it right over your design onto the wax paper. If your design is larger than your tape is wide, go ahead and place 2 strips of tape. And then I'm going to do that for the other 2. So once you've done that, you can take your tape off of the wax paper and you're just going to trim around the edges. You do want to leave some tape on your outer edge, that way it makes it stick better. Once you've done that, you're ready to place your image in the water, and you just want to do that face down. I'm going to do that to the rest of my stickers and place them in the water. Once you have all your stickers in the water, you're going to let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes until the backing of the paper starts to come off. So we're just going to set this aside and we'll come back. So now that we've waited, we can bring this back and get the backing off of our stickers. So what you're going to want to do is just take your thumbs and rub that paper until it comes off. I found that if you do it underneath the water, it comes off a lot easier. But while you're doing this, you want to keep in mind to take all of the wet paper off. Otherwise, it's going to be shown through on your sticker once it dries. Once you take the backing off, it should be clear like this. And so what you're going to want to do is just lay this down, sticky side up, and let it dry. Now I'm going to take the backing off of the rest of these. Okay, so now that we've had time to let them dry, I'm going to show you what I've done. These stickers can come off. I'm going to see if I can peel one up for you. They can come off. You can re-stick them. Coffee mugs, travel mugs, tumblers, anything, notebooks. You can stick them and remove them and re-stick them to however much you want. This one is still drying, but you can see the colors came through just fine. But if you liked what we did here today, be sure and like and subscribe to our channel and come back next week for more.